Of course, Collins isn't the only lawmaker arrested while in office. Democratic Senator Bob Menendez of New Jersey was indicted in 2015 on more than a dozen charges of bribery and corruption, accused of using his office to help a wealthy friend in exchange for campaign contributions and lavish gifts. His trial last year ended in a deadlocked jury, and prosecutors dropped the case in January. Then we have former Democratic Congresswoman Corrine Brown of Florida, who was convicted of fraud in December, sentenced to 5 years in prison. Prosecutors said she turned a charity for poor students into an $800,000 personal slush fund. Brown had served almost 25 years in Congress. Then we go to last year, May. Montana Republican Congressman Greg Gianforte won his House seat in a special election just 1 day after his arrest for assaulting a reporter. He pled guilty a month later, was sentenced to anger management counseling and community service. Democratic Congressman Chaka Fattah of Pennsylvania was convicted 2 years ago on nearly 30 counts of racketeering and money laundering. He was accused of misusing charitable grants, campaign contributions, and taxpayer funds. He's now serving a 10-year prison sentence. Republican Congressman Michael Grimm of New York faced a 20-count indictment in 2014 on felony tax evasion, perjury, other charges in connection with a restaurant he ran. He pled guilty later that year to a single count of tax fraud and ended up serving 7 months in prison. His effort at a political comeback this year failed. And Republican Congressman Trey Radel of Florida was charged with misdemeanor cocaine possession in 2013. He did plead guilty. He resigned from Congress in January of 2014.
Hey, MSNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down there and click on any of the videos here to watch the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more MSNBC for free every day with our newsletters. Just visit msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up now.